أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Yes, girls, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So as you see, I have again opened lesson number 12. That was about Fi'lul Madi, right?
Yes.
Today will be a kind of revision plus 1, 2, 3 new concepts we'll see in Fi'lul Madi, and maybe inshallah next Friday we can start with the next fi'l. So let's have just a revision. The verb perfect tense. When we say perfect tense, it means that it has completed, right? Any
Yes,
verb,
it has
any action has been completed. That's why we are saying perfect tense, like it has been done, right?
Yes.
And in other languages, we have 3 kind of tenses.
Yeah.
Past, present, future. But in
That's
Arabic,
in Arabic. We have only
2.
two.
One is fi'lul madi, that is, it denotes an action which was completed and finished, right? And then
Yes.
the second is fi'lul mudari.
Mudari.
It refers to both present and
Present and
future. Okay, and for
yes.
an incomplete action which is still going on, not completed, so it is present and then future also. And
Yes.
then I told you that they have said here fi'lul amr also. What was fi'lul amr? When it implies to an order, when you order
Yes.
somebody to do something, right? Or
Or
when you
not to do
desire,
something.
yeah, desire
Yes.
or wish, and may this thing happen,
Yes.
like that.
Yes.
Or
Okay.
supplication, when you want to pray for somebody, then we use fi'lul amr. Okay,
Okay.
but if we take it as a separate fi'l, then we have to take fi'lul nahi also. What does that mean? Because fi'lul amr has been derived from fi'lul mudari only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, fi'lul mudari like has total 14 words, yani, which are called sigha, right? The
Okay.
different
Yes.
words in that, right? So
Yes. Yes.
but fi'lul amr has only 6,
Okay.
and they are all derived from fi'lul mudari. Okay,
Okay.
so it is
Okay.
it is a derivation from fi'lul mudari. And same way, like, if I want to say that Vinita, open your book, right? Open your book, it's an order. And
It's
if
an
I
order.
say
Fi'lul amr.
fi'lul amr, and if I say
Yeah.
Vinita, please don't open your book, right?
This is
So the
fi'lul nahi. Or
fi'lul
prohibition.
nahi, yeah, to stop
Prohibition
somebody
or
to do something, yes.
yeah.
Okay, so that is also derived from fi'lul mudari, and little bit change in fi'lul amr, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
then if we take fi'lul amr, then we have to take fi'lul nahi also, so it makes total 4. Otherwise,
Yes.
main are total 2, fi'lul madi and
Yes.
fi'lul mudari. Clear?
Mudari. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then the other thing which we studied about that is that Arabic word is mostly triliteral, right?
Yes.
Triliteral
Yes.
matlab,
Three.
basically
Having three letters.
3 root letters, right?
Yes. Yes.
Just give me a minute. But I think my husband's alarm is ringing, and it's annoying me. Let me just uh, mute it. Just a minute. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum salam.
Okay. So we were talking about that mostly the verbs are triliteral, right?
Yes.
And what
Yes.
does triliteral mean, Vinita?
It consists of 3 letters.
3 letters, mainly 3 letters.
3 letters. Yes.
And in Arabic, what is the Arabic term for that? Thulathi mujarrad.
Salasi. Yes. Salasi means 3 and
Thalasa means 3.
yes. Yes.
And mujarrad means only. So thulathi
Only.
mujarrad,
Okay.
only 3 letters. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and it is based on the roots of 3 consonants.
consonants.
Acha,
Yes.
Vinita, this is the concept consonant and what is the other
Yes.
word?
Vowel.
Vowels, right? So what are the
Yes.
vowels
Yes.
for English?
A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U, right? What are the
Ji.
vowels for Arabic?
Alif, Vav, Ya.
Yes, exactly. Maybe you know this because you are already connected. Maybe other members don't know. So for others, I'm telling there are vowels in Arabic also. They are alif, waw, ya. These three vowels. Okay. Other than these, all are considered as consonants. Okay. And
Yes,
yes.
last time I had posed this question that, as you said that mostly the root words consist of consonant, but we have seen that in some words, even vowels are, part of root words, right?
So then,
Yeah.
Vinita, little separate rule will be applied.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
why. And the form, the form of the word will look like different.
Yeah. Haruf illat. Yeah. I think
They are
you're
called
talking about. Yeah.
in
Yes.
an English we are saying vowels, but
Yes.
the Arabic term for them is illat, hurufe illat.
Illat. Ji, ji. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and in Urdu also it is used illat, alil. It means sick. Yeah, to be sick,
Weak.
right? So when any of the vowel comes as a root letter, then that verb becomes sick,
Yes.
and then
Yeah.
we have to treat it. Okay, there is a treatment
Yes.
required for
Yeah.
to remove that sickness. That's why it is
Yes.
little bit different, and after treatment the form of the word will be little different. That's why
Yes.
we don't take it under this category, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
That's why.
Okay.
And when we say that this is, like that's why it is not discussed over here also, but
Yeah.
as I'm
Yes.
just
Yes.
telling you, so then we say kataba, right, Vinita?
Yes.
When we say
Yes. Ji, ji.
kataba, this will be the scale or the pattern of the verb which are on thulasi plus consonants only, without
Okay.
any
Okay.
vowel. Then this will be like that. Then all the words will
Okay.
be okay.
Consonants. Okay.
If any vowel comes, then the form will be little change. You won't be able
Okay.
to recognize it on the same pattern.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay,
Because
that's
here
why.
we are only talking about the consonants.
Here we are only
That's why
talking
we will
about
only be taking the
exactly
consonants.
two
Okay. Okay.
two
Got it.
conditions are there. One, that it is all sulasi mujarrad, three root letters like
Yes.
triliterals. What is the
Yes.
second condition? That this is all three consonant
Consonants.
letters, not vowel.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it. Got it. That's why, because I was now
uh,
I got my question
okay.
answered, that it is because we
Okay.
are only considering the letter
We are only
consonants here.
considering
The
consonants and
consonants.
triliteral. Okay.
Triliteral. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the pattern? If it is triliteral and if it is a consonant, what would be the scale? What will be the pattern? Kataba,
Yes.
nasara.
Yes.
Not only this, we discuss that it can come in three scales?
Yes. Yes. We did.
है ना?
We did. Fa'ala,
What was
fa'ila, fa'ula. Like the middle letter will change. Like the haraka on middle letter will
and
keep changing.
instead of middle letter, Vinita, now we need to
Ji.
remember the term because we are looking at
Okay.
this fa'ala, right? What are the
Okay.
root letters in this? Fa,
Fa, ain,
ain,
lam.
lam. Okay, so if you want to talk about first letter, instead of first letter, you will say fa letter.
Okay. Yes.
Because
Yes. Yes.
whatever
Yes.
the next verb comes, that will, yani first letter will take place of fa. So it is the first
Absolutely.
letter is called fa letter.
Fa let. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Second letter,
Yes.
central one, is called ain letter, right?
Okay. Okay.
The
Yes.
ain,
Yes.
the second radical, right? And the third is called lam letter, lam kalima. Like if we complete lam letter instead of lam letter, if I completely translate into Arabic,
Arabic.
it is
Yeah.
lam kalima, because
Okay.
every letter
Okay.
is called kalima here.
Kalima.
So
Yes.
fa
Yes.
kalima, ain kalima, and
And lam
lam
kalima.
kalima.
Yes.
Okay, fa kalima, like first letter, ain
Ji,
kalima,
ji.
the second
Got
letter,
it.
and
Yes.
lam kalima, the third letter. Okay, where
Letter.
I have taken
Yeah.
this fa, ain, lam from here,
From fa'ala. Yes.
from
Yes.
fa'ala,
So
right?
instead of saying first letter, second letter, we will now say fa, fa,
We will say fa kalima,
kalima,
ain kalima,
kalima, lam.
and
Okay.
lam kalima. So now you were telling me
Sure.
three different scales, right? Three different
Scales.
patterns.
Yes.
So now tell me, what are those three patterns?
So we have fa'ala. That means
All
ain
fatha?
kalima will. all fatha. Yes, all fatha, all fatha. Second is fa'ila, that means ayn kalima will have kasra. And then fa'ula, that means ayn kalima will have dhamma.
Dhamma, right? And the fa and lam kalima does not change. They always have fatha.
Constant.
Yeah. But if the change can come, it can only come on ayn kalima, right? It could be fatha, kasra, dhamma on ayn kalima. So there are maximum 3 patterns. Okay. So in triliteral, there are only maximum 3 patterns. So we could see here this kataba is on the pattern of fa'ala.
Fa'ala, first pattern.
Daraba, Daraba is on pattern of
fa'ala.
Fa'ala. Nasara is on pattern of
fa'ala.
Fa'ala. Again, all right. Fataha.
Again fa'ala.
Again fa'ala. Sami'a.
Fa'ila.
Fa'ila, right? Karuma.
Fa'ula.
Fa'ula. Hasiba.
Fa'ila.
Fa'ila. Da'ufa.
Fa'ula.
Fa'ula, right? And Vinita, does it change its meaning?
The changing of pattern?
Yeah.
No. It doesn't change the meaning because this is how, like for example, samia is always samia. It's never samua or sama.
It's not that we can change with our own desire. Sometimes we can sama, sometimes we can say samia, sometimes we can say samua. No, okay?
Yeah.
Samia is always samia, okay?
Yeah. And it will always give a meaning of heard. It's not like it say samua, so it gives some other meaning. No.
Exactly.
Because this is how it has been heard.
It is pronounced like that, yes. As for example, we say that B-U-T, but P-U-T, put. So it is always put. You will never be able to sometimes say put or sometimes put, right?
Yeah.
It is always like that because it is its pronunciation like that.
Exactly,
so like these are total 3 pronunciations, it means. So the word which comes on any of the one pattern, it will always be on the same pattern. So there is no point of changing the meaning, right?
Miss, I have a question. Like, fa'ala. So is this one word which has all the 3, or it is just one and like fa'ala, fa'ila, fa'ula? Here we say that it has all the 3 scales. But what is its natural scale?
Actual word is fa'ala. Fa'ila and fa'ula, we are just saying to show the pattern because we are taking this word as a sample word. So we have to change it into all 3, forms to show the pattern. That's it. Otherwise, the actual word is fa'ala.
Okay. For example, for samia is the actual word for samia, but if we have to show, then we can do sama, right?
No, we will not so because this is not used as pattern. It is a standard for Arabic language that all the Arabic books you will say fa'ala as pattern because it means doing something. Na fa'ala means fail is an action. Verb, right? So they have taken it as a sample word, right? So no need to take any other word as sample.
Okay, so if we have to take any word as a sample, it will always be basically on first, like fa'ala pattern. Like you gave us for daraba, you had given us, you had given for sami.
No. I mean, Yani, I just gave you to practice. It's not that.
We just changed the last word.
It's not as a sample. I did not give you as sample. I gave you I gave you practice to practice. Okay.
Yeah, and also we did not change the ayn letter in any of these. It was samia, samia.
You practice it in their original form, whatever it is.
Yes. Yeah. It's only
I did not ask you just take samia and write it as sama also, samia also, samua. I didn't say this. Whatever is their original form, I gave you that, right?
Yeah. It only changed the gender and the singular and plural and things. Not the got it. It's only fa'ala which will change.
It is used as sample. That's why we are saying fa'ala or fa'ila or fa'ula. Only one.
Fine, got it.
Just to show the pattern, right?
Ji, got it.
Okay, Nazia, you turned your mic on. You wanted to ask something?
Assalamu alaikum. Yes, ma'am. I want to ask. So if it is Fataha, so can it be Fatiha?
Why? Why did you prolong it?
No, I'm just asking because you said we cannot change the pattern, right? But when it
Yeah.
is Surah Fatiha, Al-Fatiha we read, right? Surah,
Al-Fatiha is a noun because you are putting
okay.
alif lam al. It's a symbol of
Yeah.
noun. We are talking about verbs.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Al-Fatiha,
when
yes,
it's
it is a word, but it is a noun. Verb will always be on this pattern, which we are discussing.
okay, so that is the difference basically. So, but the
Yeah.
letters are same, root letters.
Yes,
In
it
that
may
also
be
we have
same.
Fataha.
Exactly. Yeah. Because see, for example, we are talking about fa'ala, right? The pattern.
Yeah.
And if we change the movements, if I say fi'lun, so it will become a noun because I put tanween in the end.
Tanveen.
Yeah, right.
Uh,
And I made
okay.
the central letter as sakin. For example,
Okay.
here this is nasara, huh? This is
Yeah.
fi'lul madi. But if I change the movements, for example, a swad, I make it silent. Yani silent, I mean, sorry, sakin. And if I put the tanween on ra, it becomes nasrun, right? Nasrun. And then it will not be a verb. It will be a noun. For example, it means help, just help.
Okay.
Okay, but if I put it in
Okay.
the pattern nasara, it becomes fail,
Mm.
and it becomes fail madi, and it means he helped.
Mm.
But if I say nasrun, see, all the root letters are same, but what I
Okay.
did, I just central letter I made silent, sukun, and I put tanween in the end, nasrun. It becomes help as a
Help.
noun. Nazia, is
Okay.
that clear? Same way,
Yes, yes.
fataha. If I say fathun, what I did,
Mm.
I put sukoon on ta and I put tanween in the end. I said
Yes.
fathun. It means opening.
Correct. Okay.
It becomes a noun. Okay, actually the term is
Okay.
masdar for it, right?
Right.
So the pattern will be a little different, but that's why we are trying to recognize if it comes in any of these three patterns. What are those three
Okay.
patterns? Either fataha, sorry,
Fa'ala.
fa'ala or fa'ila or fa'ula. Only
Okay.
in these three patterns any of fi'l madi can occur. If
Okay.
you find there is any other little change, then it will
Huh?
not be fi'l madi.
Okay.
Okay.
Now it is clear. Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Yeah, please, all of you, don't stay muted. If you are confused anywhere, please do let me know and I'll explain that, because otherwise, you will be confused till end. Okay, so shall we move next quickly?
Yes, miss.
It in a simple triliteral verb, the first and the third radicals are always maftuh,
Maftuh. Okay. That means fa and lam.
voweled with fathatun, but the second or middle radical is not constant. Maftuhun. Acha, they are making different words from it now. Okay, just leave it right now, okay? Because slowly, gradually we'll understand. So fa'ala, nasara, kataba, they are on the same pattern. Hai na? Kharaja, they have given
Fa'ala
some
pattern.
different words on the same pattern. Fataha, he opened. Jalasa, he
Yes.
sat. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Kharaja, he went out. Dakhala, he came
He entered.
or he entered. He came in or he entered, right? Or
Yes.
fa'ila pattern, sami'a, he heard. Alima, he knew. Okay, so just see, this is simple past plus third person singular. है ना?
Singular. Yes.
Always.
Yes.
So first failul madi, first sigha is always third person singular masculine.
Yes.
He knew, he heard, he drank. Shariba, he drank, right? Rabiya, he was pleased. Now here, they have put another word. This ya is coming, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, anyhow. So Faula pattern also, Sharufa, he was being honored. Yeah, I remember Nashmi asking me this, that it is a passive tense. Okay.
Yeah.
Hasuna, he was ugly. Sorry. Qabha, he was ugly. He became ugly, it means. And
Yes.
hasuna, he became good or beautiful. Okay.
Yes.
Karuma,
Yes.
he became honorable, like it, like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, hmm. Uh, the new concept I want to give you is that definitely, as we said, most of the verbs are triliteral. है ना?
Yes.
When we
Yes.
say most, it means there are few which can be otherwise also. है ना? So here is that, apart from this paragraph I'm starting with, right?
Yes.
Apart from triliteral, 4 radical verbs called rubai, yani quadrilateral, right? Quadri
Rabba.
means 4,
Four.
hai na?
Yes. Yes.
Coordinates, right? So
Yes.
quadrilateral as rubai. So
Yes.
ruba'a and arba'a is 4. If you know the counting,
4.
hai na?
Yes.
Wahid, ithnan,
Yes.
thalatha, arba'a. So
Yes.
rubai is taken from their 4 letter word. This is called rubai, okay? And the pattern for a 4 letter word, 4 radical verb is fa'lala. Instead of fa'ala, right, Vinita, just see.
Yes.
The 3 letter triliteral is
Yeah.
fa'ala, hai na?
Yes.
So what
Yes.
we
Yes.
did, if there is an addition, like there are 4 root letters, so the second letter, like ayn kalima,
Again. Yes. Again. And
the change is with
again. And
ayn
kalima
kalima.
is
Okay?
become
So,
sukoon.
it becomes
Yes.
sukoon.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. 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 Ji.
So that,
Okay.
but this is very rare. Very,
Yeah.
few words are only on this pattern, like
Okay.
quadrilateral. Very few.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it has come, so I thought of, okay, let's discuss this also. Okay?
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
fa'lala. And the
Okay.
example are
Okay.
tarjama. In Urdu or Arabic, Hindi, you say tarjuma karna hai
Translation.
na? Translation, yes. So
Ji.
tarjama, he translated.
Ah.
Zalzala,
Okay.
he,
Yes.
yani shook. Zalzala
Shook.
ana, hai
Yes.
na?
Yes.
Earthquake,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
zalzala, he shook it. It shook.
Shook. Yes. Yeah.
Or
Zalzala.
dahraja, he rolled. Zahzaha, he was removed, like,
Removed.
he became removed, like that. Yani, it is not passive tense again. Nashmi, don't get confused, okay? Yes, Aisha, you want to ask something?
Yes, miss. That's rubai means ya is a vowel, no? So vowel will come, or
No vowel. Nahi, rubai is the name. It's not the example. Rubai is the name, as sulasi is the name, na?
okay. The
Sulasi
fourth
instead of
one.
because sulasa means 3. Ruba'a means 4.
Okay.
So it's not that ya is a root letter. Otherwise, ya is here also.
No, in any word the vowel will come, or everything will be consonant.
No, it will be consonant. See the examples. Look at the examples. What I'm saying. Tarjama, right? They're all consonants, right? Zalzala, all we didn't start yet the vowel discussion. This is just instead of 3 consonant, there are 4 consonants now.
Okay, only that. Okay, miss.
Okay.
Okay, miss, one more thing. When we are doing this fa'ala pattern, so when we have something in this pattern, by default, this person is a doer, right? Yeah. So,
sorry,
right? Like
sorry.
If I say,
what are you saying, Vinita?
I'm saying, like, if we say that fa'ala, so by default, it shows that fa'ala, when it comes fa'ala, that person is he did. That means he is a doer, right? He's a subject.
Yani,
right?
Huwa. No, see, actually, Vinita, in Arabic, I'm only saying fa'ala. And what is the translation? He did. It's a complete sentence. Yani, one word has verb also and has the subject also.
Subject also, yeah. No, so my question is, like, suppose if I say fa'ala, he is hidden, like the subject is hidden in it, right?
It's hidden.
Subject.
Yeah, that's yes. I want to discuss that. See, this is here, Vanita. This is here.
Yes. Yeah.
It's coming. I wanted to discuss this also today. Okay.
Yeah.
So whenever we say that dhahaba, it means he went. Hai na?
Yes.
Dhahaba.
Yes.
It means he went. And dhahabat, fa'alat on the same pattern, right? So it means she went. Dhahabat. She went. So the subject is said to be dhamir mustatir. This is what you are saying,
Zamir
and it
mus.
is here.
Yes, yes.
Hidden
So
pronoun, right?
yeah.
Hidden
So miss,
pronoun.
if it is a if it is hidden, that will always be pronoun. Like if I say Faala, it is he did. But if I want to say
Definitely.
Vinita did, then
Then
how
it
will
will
we
be, for
do?
example, see. For
Yeah.
example, it is that Zahabat, she went, है ना?
Yes. Yes.
But
Yes.
if I
Yes.
say Vanita went, if I want to say
Huh.
that, so you will say
Yeah.
Zahabat Vanita.
Ah.
We will just put
Okay.
a subject after that. Simple.
Okay. 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 Yes. So okay. Once more. Like if I just say Fa'alat, yeah.
It
So
means
it
she
means
went.
she went.
She did.
We are just, yeah, that means
Hmm.
then we are using pronoun. Yeah, we
Yes.
are using pronoun, which we can say here, right? Like here is hidden.
Hiya is hidden because
That
she means hiya, right? We
yeah,
have
yeah. So
discussed the pronouns table. Yeah.
yeah, so the first pronoun table which is personal pronouns, huwa,
Hmm.
huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna. So we can say
Exactly.
huwa or hiya are hidden in it, right? But when we have to
Definitely.
take the name out, then we will not say
He or
we will not
she.
be,
We will
yeah,
not
then we will
use
say
those pronouns.
yes, yes. Then we have to say the name, and in
Exactly.
that case, the fail will come first, faala will come first, and then
The
will be the
subject will
name.
come. Yeah.
Yes, but here the subject is first, like it is hidden. The subject is hidden and it is first. He, like he did. Yeah, subject
We are
is
saying it
hidden,
like
but
that.
yeah,
In English, we are
yeah,
saying
yeah,
it
yeah,
like that. है ना?
yeah,
But
yeah,
this is
yeah,
only one word. Dhahaba, he
yeah,
went, right? But if
yeah,
I say Khalid went, Ali
mm,
went, I'll say
yeah,
Dhahaba Khalidun. Then I
yeah.
put Dhamma on that because, we remember
Rafa, because it will
Rafa.
be in halate Rafa because he
Ha.
is the doer. Yes,
Subject is
yes.
always in Halat Rafa.
Doer, yes, yes.
Ha.
but
Doer.
but miss,
Hmm.
in English, if whether it is a pronoun or a noun, we always use it first, like she went or Vinita went.
Yeah,
But
that's
in
English.
Arabic,
In Arabic,
yeah, yeah, but
the verb
the
will come first.
first, yes, yes,
And
yes,
that's why it will become, remember we started talking about types of sentences, and we say nominal
yes,
sentences and verbal sentences, Vinita.
yes, 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 yes.
है ना?
So we are
So it will be verbal sentence, matlab the one which is starting with a
verb
verb.
with the
It
verb.
has to
Okay,
start
okay.
with a verb. Remember those two type of
Yes,
sentences?
yes,
I
yes.
don't remember the
Absolutely, I
page
remember.
number. Otherwise, I would have taken you there, right? So when we started talking about
I
sentences,
remember. Yes, yes, yes.
है ना?
Yes,
So
yes,
there
yes.
were two
Yeah.
types of sentences: nominal, which starts with a noun, and
Mm-hmm.
verbal, which starts with a verb.
Yes, yes, definitely. Yes. So it has to start with a verb.
It has to start
Yes.
with a verb, right? If
Yes,
we
yes,
start
yes.
with, for example, Vanita,
Yes.
for example, as I said, ki Vanita dhahabat. I can say like
Huh.
that also. Okay,
Yeah.
but then it will be a nominal sentence.
Nominal
Its formation
sentence.
will change.
Yes.
Plus,
Yeah, it's
Vanita,
nominal.
in Arabic,
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
the style that the information which you want to focus on, they say
Mm-hmm.
it first. For example, I know
Mm-hmm.
somebody has gone. I know that,
Okay.
but I don't know who went.
Okay. Okay.
Somebody will answer me, Vinita zahabat. Vinita went. Did you
Yes.
understand? So the
Yes, yes.
focus is on Vinita, not that she went.
Okay.
Now,
Yes, yes. Understood.
for example, if
Mm-hmm.
my question is that where is Vinita? I know Vinita is somebody, but I want to ask her status. So somebody will say Zahabat Vinita. Vinita has gone. Did you understand the difference?
I understood. I understood. I
Whatever
understood.
is
I understood.
required, whatever I want to
Mm-hmm.
focus on, will be taken
Absolutely.
first.
Yes. So
If
it
I
depends
know
on the
somebody
question.
has
Yes.
gone, okay,
Hmm.
that is already in my information, right? Okay, somebody
Yeah.
has gone. That I know.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
but if I
So
want
then,
to say
so
who
then the
went, for
name.
example,
Yeah.
in this meeting right now in Zoom, right? We are 5
Yeah.
members, like
Yes.
other than me. So
Yeah.
sir, I'm teaching, and suddenly I look at the list and somebody has gone. I see, oh, there are 4 members only. So I say,
Then you'll
who
put the name
went?
first. Then you'll
So
put the name first.
yes,
Yes.
Vinita
Yes.
Zahabat, like that.
Yes. 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 Yes.
The required
Yes.
thing should be in the beginning.
In the beginning, and that determines the classification of the sentence. If it is the noun used first, then it's a nominal sentence. If it is the verb used first, it's a verbal sentence.
Exactly.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. 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 Yeah. Okay. clear.
Acha. So
Samjha
taking that, it was not in my planning that I'll discuss this rule here, but as it is being discussed, so I want to make one thing clear here. Okay,
Okay.
Vinita,
Okay.
as we are discussing that if it is a verbal sentence, the
Mhm.
verb has to be in the beginning, है ना? That's what we are
Yes.
discussing. Okay,
Yes.
but
Yes.
Vinita,
Yes.
that verb is
Mhm.
only either first person masculine, sorry, third person, na? This Dhahaba is third
Mhm.
person, he went, है ना?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
it is
Yes.
always singular. It is always use singular third person, not dual,
Okay.
not plural.
Plural.
This is the rule.
Oh.
Now just keep this also in mind. Let me check if they have given it here.
But
Or
what if we
not.
want to talk about two people, that those two people
See,
went?
listen. If you want to talk about two people, okay,
Yeah.
and
Uh-huh.
in case that the two people are there, yani in front, like, you know, after that, for example,
Uh-huh.
that two Muslims went,
Uh-huh.
है ना? So I will say
Yes.
Dhahaba Muslimani.
Yes. Yes.
So
Because
I didn't
Muslimanis
say
were.
Dhahabani. See, I didn't say
Okay.
Dhahaba. For example, let me
Okay.
go
Okay.
to the table. Yeah, this is the
Oh
table.
yes. Yes.
This is the
Yes.
table,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
let me explain to you. Now I
Mhm.
said always it is used like that.
Mhm.
The singular, if the verb is coming in the beginning, okay,
Mhm.
and if we
Mhm.
have to put the subject separately, we are not
Mhm.
using yani dhamir mustatir. We are not using
Okay.
hidden pronoun it, right? I
Yes.
want to
Yes.
take the name that who did this. For example,
Okay.
है ना? I say
जी.
two people, two Muslims prostrated. What is the English
Mhm.
of prostration? Sajada.
Sajada.
ठीक है? Okay.
जी.
So if I say sajada, only sajada, it means he
Mhm.
prostrated. But if I
Definitely.
want to say a Muslim prostrated, I will say sajada Muslimun. Isn't it,
Muslimun. Yes.
Vinita?
Yes.
है ना?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sajada Muslimun, a Muslim
Yes.
prostrated. If I want to
Bilkul.
say two Muslims prostrated, Vinita, now we
So we will.
have verb for dual, for two, है ना? Dual.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Fa'ala. We have
Yeah.
sajada. But
Yeah.
I will not use that. I will use
Okay.
only singular. I will say sajada Muslimani.
Muslimani. Okay. Okay.
Muslimani is,
The default
rafi halat na? Halat
rafa
rafa.
halat of, yes, default halat of dual. Yes.
ठीक है?
Yes.
If I
So in
say,
case.
Vinita, if I
Okay.
say all Muslims prostrated.
So we will say
All,
fa'ala muslimuna.
yes, fa'ala, sorry, sajada
Sorry, sajada.
Muslimuna.
Muna. Yes.
I will
Okay.
not say
Okay.
sajadu. We have the verb sajadu also. Sajada,
Ah.
sajada, sajadu. We
Okay.
do have plural.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
but it
Yes.
is
Yes.
used
Yes.
only in case of hidden pronoun.
Hidden. I
If I
understood. Yes.
want to say they all prostrated, then I will use sajadu.
Sajadu. Yes. Yes. Yes.
But
Clear. Absolutely.
if
Yes.
I
Yes.
say all Muslims prostrated, then I will
Yeah.
use the first one, this
Single.
one,
First one. Yeah.
singular. I will
Yeah.
say
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
sajada Muslimuna.
Muna. Yes. Yes.
It
Yes. Yes.
has to
So
be in
Miss.
halat
Yeah.
rafa. Wow noon is halat rafa.
Rafa, yeah, and then we will say which halat is coming where, and this
Yeah,
way, right? Yeah,
exactly.
absolutely, it's clear. So
Hmm.
let me summarize what I have understood, that if
Yeah.
we are using it as a hidden pronoun, when
Hmm.
we are using as a
Then we are
hidden
using
pronoun,
all this table,
or
है ना?
yeah, then
All
we are
the
using
pronouns of this
yes,
table.
yeah, but when we are using a subject, when we are attaching a subject or a noun with it, then we will only use fa'ala, the singular third person
Singular
masculine.
third person. Acha,
Yeah,
Vinita, it will
but what
not
with
take care of
feminine?
number. Let me add one
Yeah,
more
yeah,
thing. I'm sorry, I'm giving too many rules, but I thought the discussion was going in the direction, so I should add it here. Okay.
yeah. Okay,
Acha,
okay.
it will come in the book, but maybe later. Okay, but as the discussion went on this side, so I thought of discussing it with you. Okay, now
Okay.
Vinita, it is not taking care of number, hai na? It is not
Yes.
considering number. I told you dual and plural,
At
they
all.
are numbers.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
will take care of gender.
Gender. Exactly. Now this is
For
what I was
example,
about to ask.
For example, if I say that, if I want to say she prostrated, I will say sajadat.
Fa'al. Sajadat.
Sajadat.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yes.
If I want to say those two girls prostrated, I will say Sajadat. नहीं, this is the same, na? Sajadat.
Yeah. And girls.
हाँ, like Muslimatani, है ना? Muslimatun
It's-
is one Muslim lady.
Yes.
Muslimatani, two Muslim
Yes.
ladies. ठीक है?
Yes.
And plural is Muslimatun, है ना?
Yes.
Plural
Yes.
Muslimun, Muslimatun, Muslimatani, Muslimatun. This is plural. Muslimatun, all Muslim ladies.
Yes.
ठीक है? So I will say Sajadat Muslimatun. All female ladies prostrated. Yani
Okay.
I'm not taking care of number. Yani whatever number is coming as a subject, I'm just using singular sigha.
Yes.
But I'm taking care of gender. If it is doing the subject is a
Female or a male.
Male. So I'm using fa'ala. If the subject is a female, I'm using fa'alat. So basically these two are used. These two, sorry.
Yes.
है ना? These two only are used. The rest, all 12 sighas are not used if the subject is coming after the verb, right? So only this fa'ala and fa'alat, only these two are used. Whatever the number is. Okay?
Okay.
Shall I add one more thing?
Okay.
Or enough?
Yes.
The time
No,
only,
you can add.
I think enough. Yeah, tell me others.
Yeah, I think
It's
enough,
a small
like.
thing only.
And Miss, what about
this is for,
second person? Sorry.
Yes, Aisha?
This is for verbal sentence, no? Means when the verb is coming
because
first.
it's starting with verb, right?
Okay, so what about
Now, Aisha,
other
your
we need to
question is
take the
very
form?
relevant to the point which I'm going to say next. Yes, Aisha?
So what about the nominal sentence? So
Huh.
that the forms will
Yes,
take place.
mashallah, barakallah fiqh. That's what I wanted to tell you.
Okay.
I wanted to tell you, if instead of, we just discussed that if the verb is in the beginning, then it is verbal sentence. But I can switch otherwise also. I can switch Vinita Zahabat, hai na?
Yeah, you said as per the situation we will answer accordingly.
So if Aisha, now points to be noted, and I just told that only these two, are used, fa'ala and fa'alat, hai na? Only these two. Whatever if we are talking about dual doing something or plural doing something, hai na? We will just use these two. This is in case of verbal sentence.
Verbal sentence.
But if we use it as a nominal sentence, okay, then I have to follow the number. For example, okay, if I say Muslimuna, I put the subject in the beginning, then I will say Sajadu.
Okay.
This is the difference. Okay? Then I have to use all these sighas. Okay? If I say you all prostrate, like, all Muslims prostrated, then what I will say, I will use this Muslimuna, because I have now, it's not a verbal sentence. Now it's a nominal sentence.
Nominal
and then
sentence.
I have to show that I have to say Muslimuna sajadu. Then I will use this according to the subject. If the subject is singular, I will use singular verb. If the subject is dual, I'll use dual verb. If
Singular,
the subject is
also
plural,
the gender we need to.
Exactly.
Okay.
But only third persons will come, these 6. Because I can't say na, yani I can't say case yani Muslimuna, Muslims, and you all Muslim did it. If you, right, only these are used.
But Miss, we can't we say you did it, like you did it, you both did it?
So Vinita, if I'm saying, see, Vinita, if I'm using you did, so I have to say if I'm using pronoun.
Oh yes.
I can't name it also, and then you understand?
Yeah. Acha, if we have to say, okay, you and Sarah did it, in that case,
then also you and Sarah. So you is singular now. So then this will come na, these two, yani.
Then this will come. Okay.
We'll see, inshallah. But the rule basically I told you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Got
Aisha?
it very clearly.
Yeah. Okay.
Clear?
Yes, Miss.
And I think our class time is ended now. I wanted to go on to the next, but I told you, this rule discussion, this rule was not in my plan, but Alhamdulillah, I think it is relevantly discussed on the right point. Any question, whatever we have discussed today?
Alhamdulillah,
Girls?
everything is very clear. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Those silent listeners? Any question?
It's clear, Miss. It's clear, Miss. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Yeah, and the table we discussed quadrilateral also today, है ना? And they have given the table for that also. This is exactly same, right? Like fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, है ना? Fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna. So this is tarjama, tarjama, tarjamu, tarjamat, tarjamata, tarjamna, tarjamat, tarjamta. That was fa'alta, hai na? So this is tarjamta, tarjamtuma, tarjamtum. This is I'm reading first time because I have never seen the table of quadrilateral. Tarjamti, tarjamtuma, tarjamtunna, hai na? If you see, just the pattern is always same. Tarjamtu, it was fa'altu, right? It was fa'altu, this one, hai na?
Yes.
And this is tarjamtu, tarjamna, tarjamna, sajadna, sajadna, on the same pattern, right?
So, Miss, the right word is tarjama, not tarjuma. That we like.
Tarjama, exactly.
Not tarjuma. We say tarjuma, right?
Tarjama. We say
tarjuma
many wrongs, Vinita. We say many wrong things.
So we are also correcting our vocabulary here.
Alhamdulillah, yeah. Pronunciation. Urdu and Hindi
pronunciation. Yes.
Yeah, I don't want to go next.
And for me, even vocabulary is increasing, alhamdulillah.
Oh, yeah, alhamdulillah. Okay, that's it, girls. If we don't have any questions, so we'll wind up the class, right? Because in 1 minute, my Urdu class is going to start.
Jazakallah.
Inshallah. Chale. Okay. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayka. Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim wa tub alayna innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Ameen ya rabbal alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.